a little banjo shark. Welcome to Jervis Bay. What was the biggest one?
We found the last one.
Yeah? How big do you reckon? Was it as big as you? Sure. What are we doing? Do you want to go and look at the hole in the wall first? That rock over there. What do we reckon about this, Maggie? One-handed one. Nice. That hole in the wall beach, and just got an awesome little mooring out there between Murray's and Green Patch. This water is crystal clear, incredible, and lots of crab holes. Got pretty windy last night, so we had to move spots. So she moves.
What have you got here?
Shark! Shark! Shark!
Little,
Wow.
Maggie got a fish.
First try!
Maggie got a fish.
First try!
Good job.
Stingray!
Just trying to
Port Jackson. Port Jackson here. The big one.
Jervis Bay. Little Bella.
Actually zoomed way out for the GoPro, so it's
Hello. We made it.
somehow. Wow! Look at that. I've got the size here.
It's definitely pretty different.
Oh, yeah, over here.
That's my selfie.